What's up, guys? Good morning. Look who came to decide to cuddle with me. He came in my room. This is how the morning's going. So, I gotta watch her, but I'll see you guys in a sec. What's up, viewers? What's up? This is my precious little baby brother. He's so cute. He's so cute. But get this, you guys. Today is so exciting. Well, every day should be exciting. You should find excitement in every day. But
even I'm gonna get a new dog.
Yeah, just like he said, we're gonna get a new little Yorkie today. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh.
It's gonna name Machete.
Yeah, we're naming the little Yorkie Machete. She's 1 pound and it's so adorable, and I get the puppy sit. Well, I mean, it's our dog, but she's so little that everyone takes turn puppy sitting her, and everybody's out in meetings today or doing something.
And I will babysit her.
No, he won't. So everybody's doing stuff today. Everyone's doing stuff today, so I get the first watch of babysitting, and I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, I'll catch you when they leave. See? This is cute. Rue's like, I'm not having it over here. Come on, laugh. You gotta laugh. Life is a highway. I won't drive it long. I don't think those are the lyrics. I don't really know the full lyrics of that song. Yeah. Sorry. Hold on. Look at this. Wait, can we change like cities? No. Some of the things we can, but we can't. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. What's this one? Ooh. I have a fat face. Let's make Gru have a fat face. Say something.
Yeah.
Stop. Say monkey's uncle.
Monkey's uncle.
Mwah.
Yeah.
Guys, this is my outfit for today. I got kind of curly hair because I curled my hair yesterday. And then silver ribbon. I have my Vans t-shirt on. And then just these blue jeans with my mom's white Converse. So I'm dressed, ready for the day. I'm so excited to get our puppy today. And I'm just ready to take on the day. So let's go. We're going to start with some piano practice. So you guys can guess what I'm playing. Okay. Jeez. Okay, see if you guys can guess what I was playing. I know that was kind of bad. I'm still learning how to play it, but see if you guys can guess. The puppy's on the way! My mom's on her way home with the puppy. I'm so excited. I'm trying to find the puppy pads, but I can't. Where would puppy pads be? Puppy pads. I don't know. No, literally, I don't know where they went. They were in my dresser because my dresser that I have in my room used to be up here. Maybe in the closet? I don't know. No, I don't think in the closet. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this. I'm failing at one simple job, you guys. I have one job, and I can't figure out how to do it because I can't. Where are the potty pads? I literally swore I saw them, like, not too long ago. Guys, am I just straight freaking tripping? Because I saw them, like, 2 days ago. So I must be just tripping. Yeah, okay. Well, I will let you guys know when the puppy's here, and I'm gonna find these potty pads. So, see you later.
Machete's so adorable. Hi, girl. Oh, Machete, hi. Oh, he's so cute. You're so cute. You're like, what are you doing? You guys, this is Machete. She's so adorable. Look at her. Oh, look at that face. Okay. So cute. Hi. Hi. Look at you just chilling on my arm. Oh, she's so cute. Yes, you are cute.
God,
That's so cute. That's so cute. That's so cute. That was so
No,
cute.
I just have a doctor's appointment right up the street.
Okay.
It's not my
Okay,
hair. It's not anything like
So
that.
cute. That
Yeah,
was
the ring.
so.
Okay, you guys. I think we're gonna end it here. Because I'm just chillaxing with the dog. She's so cute. Machete is so cute. That's her name. So, yeah. I'm just gonna chill and probably watch a movie. So, I gotta be super chill with this dog. But, yeah. Catch you guys next time.